So you want to work your abs, but you hate getting down to the floor? Then this is the workout for you. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And today I've got a fabulous, see what I did there? Fabulous standing ab workout just for you. So you don't need any equipment for this workout at all. You don't even need shoes. And the best part is you don't have to get down to the floor. This is a great workout for those of you that don't like getting down on the floor. Maybe you've got an injury or it just doesn't feel comfortable for you. These standing abs, I assure you, they work. So let's do this workout and I'll see you on the other side. So start off by just moving your ribs side to side here. You're just doing a rib isolation. I know that these might look silly, but I'm telling you, these really work. In order to really sculpt these abdominal lines, we want to work our body more like a dancer, and this is a real staple. Now, I want you to do double twists to each side. What's most important here is that we keep our pelvis really still, and that as you're twisting to the side, you're really wringing out those obliques. So you're definitely sculpting those beautiful oblique lines here. It should feel so good. Next, we're gonna chop some wood. So it's really important here that you drive that movement down so that you're really targeting, once again, those obliques. I love this movement so much because not only is it very effective, but it's also really great to get out any aggression that you might have. So have fun with this. You're doing so great. Keep pulling in the abdominals and let's move on to the other side. So one side might feel a little bit stronger than the other. That's one of the things I always tell my ladies inside of my fitness membership, Total Body Transformation. You know, it's normal to feel like one side's a little bit stronger, to have a dominant side, but that's why we do exercises where we isolate one side and the other so that you can create more balance inside of your body. And that's where program design really comes in, like we have inside of TBT, to really help you. All right, good. So let's move on. You're going to do a lateral lift to the side with your leg with a little oblique crunch, okay? So I love this because not only are you, now add a little bit of a twist here. So you're gonna twist towards the leg here. See how I've got that little different rotation, okay? We're working in both directions there because I want you to really sculpt those obliques. So notice how I'm twisting here. This is also great for challenging your balance, especially for those of us at over 40, like me. Good, let's go to the other side. So first, the just straight lateral lift. Balance gets harder, you know, it's harder to keep our balance, and now add that rotation into it as we get older. So doing movements like these are so great to make sure that we stay fit, we stay healthy, we keep our balance as we get older. All right, so let's move on. I love this one because you get a little sassy here. So I want you to really pop that hip out and really squeeze the waist. And then just like you were doing before, add a little bit of rotation here. So we're squeezing the waist. So it's 4 little hip pops outs to one side. And then you're gonna rotate 4 times into that popped hip. Again, I'm changing these rotations, okay? Go again to the first side. I'm changing these rotations on purpose so that you're really sculpting and toning. So 4 and 4 on each side. Beautiful. You can thank me later when you see those beautiful muscles. Just 2. So pop it and twist it, and pop it and twist it. That's it. Good. So now you're going to reach to that foot or your knee or your thigh, whatever works for you. This is a fantastic exercise to really isolate your lower abdominals, right? So if you're a lady that tends to complain about a lower belly pooch, this is the move for you. Let's move on to the other side here. Excellent, excellent work. I love doing standing abs so much because, oftentimes the ladies inside of Total Body Transformation tell me, I don't want to get down to the floor. And that's why we always have the saying, there's always something you can do, because even if you don't want to get down onto the floor and you want to remain standing, this is a great, great movement, and you're still getting those fantastic lower abdominals getting strengthened and toned. All right, good. So now we're going to do a little standing crunch. So you're going to just kind of curl the upper body forward here, and you're keeping your pelvis still at first. And now notice how I'm tucking the booty under 4 times here. Good. So the pelvis stays still as you crunch down. Okay, so you're really isolating in that top and middle part of the abdominals. And now we're going to add that tuck under, so you're working the entire abdominal wall here. You really should feel this, and you should really be drawing in the belly. Keep going with me. Do you feel fabulous or what? I love doing standing abs exercises like this because they are so effective. And when you really keep your focus and your mind in it, trust me, you absolutely will see results. This was a little bit of a sneak peek workout that I pulled from my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. By now, you might know that it is the best community on planet Earth. We've got women from all over the globe, and it's such an incredible program, and it really produces amazing results for ladies at any age and any stage of life. So if you haven't already checked it out, please do so here. It's linked down below in the description box or up here in the cards as well. And if you want to keep these standing abs exercises going, make sure to join me over in this workout, and I will see you over there.